Hey kids, let's learn alphabets and its phonic sounds.
A. The sound of letter A is A. Apple, A. Aeroplane, A. X, A. Arrow, A. Almira, A. Ant.
B. The sound is B. B beard, B butterfly, B brinjal, B banana, B bread, B boy. C. The sound of letter C is K. K cake, K crow, K candle, K cow, K cat, K car. D. The sound of letter D is the doll, the drum, the dinosaur, the dog, the duck, and the dolphin. E. The sound of letter E is engine, elbow, envelope, elephant, egg. F. For fruit, for fan, for fire, for fox, for fish. G. The sound of letter G is G. G glass, G gun, G gift, G gate, and G goat. H. Her hammer, her hat, her hen, her hockey, her horse. I. India, injection, insect, ink pot, igloo. J. Jacket, jug, jam, joker, teeth. K. Kite, keyboard, kingfisher, kangaroo, and kiwi. L. Lion, lamb, leaf, lamb, lizard. M. Mango, monkey, mosquito, milk bottle, and mouse. N. The sound of letter N is no. No nest, no newspaper, no nail, no nose, no necklace, and no nuts.